Hey guys, so today I'm going to speak to you about 9 of the best apps to make money online here in the UK from your smartphone. Okay, so today I want to explore this idea because a lot of us would love to make money online, but not all of us could start a business online, for example, or a specific side hustle that makes them money online. But one way you can make money online is to start by using your smartphone. So today I want to explore these 9 ideas. We're going to split them into 3 sections just to make it really as diverse as possible. The first group of ideas we're going to talk about are ideas where you get paid for performing certain tasks online. The second group of ideas are ones whereby you get paid for getting rid of stuff online. It could be by you selling stuff or you buying stuff that you have the intention to sell online. The third group that I'm going to be sharing here would be ideas where you are basically getting money given back to you in the form of a cashback. All these ideas are basically ideas that you can explore from today. Literally, you can take them, go away, check out the website, and begin exploring them as ways to make money online. This could be, anything from, a few pounds here and there to a few £100s that can go as far as helping you to pay off some debt or plan for your next holiday, or just, build up a bit of pocket money that you've been able to generate online by doing something fun. My name is Ken of the Humble Penny and Financial Joy Academy. What we do on this channel is to give you guys the tips, the insights, the practical hacks to help you work towards a dream life of financial independence and money joy. If you're really enjoying this video, please do us the favor of hitting the like button because that just helps to get our videos promoted even more to a lot more people who might like it as well. If you're new to our channel or if you've been watching for some time, come on, hit the subscribe button and support us here at the Humble Penny. Let's dive in now and explore these 9 best apps to make money online here in the UK from your smartphone. Okay, so let's look at our first 3 apps, which are apps that pay you for actually performing a task. And the very first one is one called Easyshift. Now, this is a really fun app that pays you essentially for performing small tasks. When we researched this particular website, and we'll put the links for you below to check out, you essentially get paid up to around £11 per task to perform a really small task. And those tasks could be anything from, you may be going to a supermarket and taking a photo of a particular product on a particular aisle, for example, or you simply taking a photo of a beauty product. Most tasks take about 10 minutes to perform. And when you go onto the app itself, you notice green pins that essentially identify your location and show you what various tasks are around where you live. This particular app pretty much pays you within 2 working days of actually completing a task, which is fantastic when you think about it. It's ideal for people who live around areas where you might have shops and restaurants and things like that. From an earnings perspective, you can expect to earn anything between, £6 and £11 per task for around 10 to 15 minutes of work that you perform. There's no minimum whatsoever for you to meet in order to get a payout. And on top of that, when you get paid, you simply get paid via PayPal. So check out Easyshift for simple and fun tasks that pay you for carrying them out in your spare time. Okay, so the second app is one called Mobeye. Now, Mobeye is quite similar in a way to the one I mentioned earlier, where, again, this is task-based, but although their website says that you get paid around £10 per mission, in quotes, what's really typical is that you might find that you typically get paid a lot less than that. You might get paid between 50p and maybe £1 for very small tasks that take almost little to no time to actually perform. So typical earnings, being realistic, could be anything between 50p and £5 per task, although their website says £10. And this particular app is ideal for people who want super quick tasks that they might just perform for a few minutes, knowing that they'll get paid straight away for performing those tasks. Like the one before, you also get paid via PayPal. Again, look in the links below to check out Mobeye for fun and super quick tasks you can carry out for some extra money. Okay, so the third one is Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is a really massive site in America, but that has grown in popularity here in the UK. A number of people in our community here at the Humble Penny actually make some extra money from using Swagbucks to carry out surveys online. But rather than being paid actual cash, Swagbucks actually pay you virtual cash, and you can then convert that virtual cash into gift vouchers for places like Amazon or PayPal credits or even like M&S credits that you might then spend on something that you actually want. Swagbucks also acts as a form of a search engine, and you essentially get rewarded for using Swagbucks instead of using Google, for example. Other things you can do to get paid on Swagbucks includes you carrying out polls, watching videos, essentially small tasks where you can earn up to around £30 per month. But note that you do have to, of course, put your time in first to carry out these various mini tasks in order to actually generate that money as extra income. I was reading reviews for Swagbucks on the Apple App Store, and it's got some pretty good reviews, but there are also reviews in there that are quite mixed. So I definitely highly recommend that you head over and read the most recent reviews. So at August last year, people were still posting, people were able to make an income from doing this, people were generating decent income and found it to be a reliable platform. And even up until more recently, as at this month, when I'm making this video, we also had people there who, rated it around 3-star out of 5, and some people rated it a bit higher and some rated it a bit lower. Definitely head over and check it out for yourself and make your own judgment. But the feedback we've received from people who've used it within our community is that they do find the jobs to do. There are times when you don't have the jobs coming up as frequently as you might expect. But, now and again, they do get the jobs. And when they perform those jobs, they certainly get paid for doing it. Okay, so let's move on to the next group of apps, which are apps where you get paid for selling stuff on them. Okay, so the first one I want to mention is a platform called Newsflare. Now, Newsflare is a platform that essentially connects creators with buyers, mainly media buyers. So for example, imagine you made, you were driving somewhere, or you noticed something that might look like it might be quite trendy or noteworthy or interesting, and you filmed it on your phone, for example. Newsflare will be that platform where you'd go and upload that video that you filmed and potentially get rewarded for actually creating that video. Essentially, they connect the piece that you've created to massive media outlets in the country who might be looking for various pieces of media and content that they might use in their reporting and so on. I actually got paid on that platform myself. A couple of years ago, we had a lot of snow in the country, and southeastern trains heading into London were all kind of stuck, and people were getting really frustrated. I remember taking my phone out and just filming some of it, and I uploaded this onto Newsflare, and at some point they notified me that a company had actually licensed that piece of content that I created, and I got, a few pounds for it, which is actually really interesting. So you get rewarded on Newsflare by your content essentially being licensed to these media organizations. And that licensing agreement, I believe from when I looked last time, is one where you essentially share the revenue that Newsflare themselves receive on a 50-50 basis. So you get 50% of whatever they get paid. And it's a very transparent process. So if you've got any recordings on your phone, I'd highly recommend heading over to Newsflare and checking out their website. Looking at their website, they've got over 40,000 global content creators and more than 200,000 videos licensed, with thousands of people happy and being paid by having their content on that platform. So check it out for yourself and see if you might get paid as well. Okay, so the fifth platform is Depop. Now, you might have heard of Depop. It's a very popular app for people who are selling fashionable items or kind of vintage items that they might have at home or that they might have bought. Now, I really love what they stand for. They have created essentially a marketplace, a global marketplace for making fashion more inclusive, more diverse, and less wasteful as well. So essentially, people are selling things that they have in their homes. The thing to note is that it's free for you to list, your items, but you do pay a 10% seller fee each time you sell a particular product. Top tips for actually being able to sell on that platform include making sure that you are completely transparent about the things that you're trying to sell. So be absolutely honest and transparent. Depop has a social dimension to it. So what you find is that people who have a number of followers are more trusted, especially if they've got previous sales as well. So building up some following on that platform would help you as well. And making sure you also take really nice pictures of the products you're trying to sell is also a really good tip for making sure that you get good reviews for your products. So the action point really is for you to go decluttering. There's so much stuff that you likely have at home that's just sitting about doing nothing. go out there and check out Depop. You can also source items a lot cheaper and try to flip them for a profit on Depop. All right, so the next one is Preloved. Now, Preloved is a classified ads platform. It's been running for a number of years now. Now, what's really interesting about it is that you can list a wide variety of things. Everything from clothing and jewelry to electronics to furniture to even pets. People buy and sell all kinds of things on the Preloved platform. So again, quite similar to Depop, they have an environmental kind of mission tied to them. Their big mission is around trying to reduce landfill waste, and recycling is a big part of their core mission. The process is really simple. Place an advert on the website, you chat to potential buyers for those who are interested, and then you proceed and arrange for either a delivery or a collection of the item that you are selling. There are no listing fees and no seller fees specifically, but you can upgrade your account on Preloved as little as £5 per year in order to get other features from using the actual app. All right, let's look at our third group of apps, which are apps that pay you by giving you cashback. And the first in that group, which is app number 7, is to use Quidco. Now, this is my favorite cashback site. One way, if you've got any planned purchases, say you wanted to buy some electronics or you wanted to pay for insurance even, whatever you wanted to buy, Quidco is the platform where you should go and perform that search first and actually click through from the actual Quidco website in order to head over to that specific brand that you want to purchase their product or service and then buy from that click through from Quidco. The beauty of doing that is that you get cash back given to you. And from looking at their website, Quidco have over 4,500 of the most popular brands on their platform. It's free to use. All you need to do is head over and sign up. I'm going to put links to them below and above for you to check them out. You sign up, you can browse any of those 4,500 retailers that they've got. You can complete your purchase on the platform, and then you can begin to earn potentially a bonus if you're a new customer. They often run certain new member cashback bonuses, which you might be entitled to get at the very beginning as well. And as you get your cashback given to you for your purchases, you can either withdraw it into your bank or have it into your PayPal account or have it converted into vouchers for you. As a family, we save at least a couple £100 per year from using Quidco as a platform. And looking on their website, they state that the average member of their platform saves around £280 per year from actually making their shopping through the Quidco platform. And from what I can see, they've got around 10 million members in the UK, and they've paid out over £1 billion in cash back to those 10 million customers and growing as well. App number 8 is to check out Top Cashback. Now, Top Cashback is very similar to Quidco that I mentioned earlier. In fact, they are competitors of each other. The difference is that Top Cashback on their website state that they've got around 15 million members, and the average cashback that they've given their members is around £345 per year. So a bit more than Quidco apparently, but they're essentially doing the same things. Again, you can withdraw your money either as cash or have it in your PayPal account or have it converted into gift vouchers for you. Now, number 9 is an innovative app called Kidstart that I found from doing some research. This is where you essentially get cash back when you shop, but the primary reason for the cash back is so that you can boost your child's savings account, money that you can save for your child and invest. And I thought that was so innovative. And they state here on their website that you can earn cash back from over 2,300 retailers, including Apple, Argus, John Lewis, and so on. Now, although they state on their website that it's made for parents and that your cashback goes towards your child savings account, you can also use this if you're not yet a parent. So you could actually use that cashback towards your niece or your nephew, or if you've got a grandchild, that cashback could go towards their savings account or even could go to a friend's child. But note that in order to actually use Kidstart, you must be legitimately saving the cashback towards a child's savings. Now, in terms of the process to get involved, you simply need to check out the links I've shared below for Kidstart to sign up for free. Log in and make purchases through the platform so you're then eligible for cashback coming back to you. Before you're able to withdraw that cashback, which has a minimum of £10 as a threshold, you need to connect a child's details. So name, date of birth and things like that. And by doing that, you can then connect that child's junior ISA or bank account, which can actually be in your own name as well. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. What other apps are you currently using to make some extra cash on the side using your phone? Let me know in the comments. I'd also love to know, of the apps that I mentioned in this video for making money online, what's your experience of using them? Jump in the comments and give us an update on what you've experienced by using those apps to make some extra money. Please don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed watching it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And as ever guys, in all things, be thankful and seek joy. Take care and bye for now.